Hi, I'm Priyadashmi. Today we are going to see Millet Pongal. So using Kodo millet, I'm going to do Millet Pongal. Using our Navigino automatic mode. Come, let's get started. Today I've taken 20 high for doing our Kodo Millet Pongal. I've soaked the Kodo millet for about 2 hours. So I've taken 1.5 cup of Kodo millet and 1 cup of soaked moong dal. So in this cup, I'll take 5 cups of water. Now add required amount of salt. I'm going to use Sequick lid. So I've taken 20 Sequick lid. Now close with that Sequick lid. Fix in the audio thumb. Set in soft window. Switch on the Navigino in automatic mode. Switch on the audio thumb and set for about 2 minutes in soft window. You can see I've connected my phone as well. So once the cooking is done, we'll wait for it to depressurize and then we'll open. Now you can see the cooking is completed. So we'll switch off the audio thumb and we'll wait for it to depressurize. Once it is depressurized, we'll add the other items so that we'll finish the millet pongal. We'll allow it to depressurize. We'll make tadka for the pongal. So I'm taking 16 low here. My Navigino is still in the off mode only. So I'm adding in ghee, jeera, whole peppers. You can even use crushed ones, ginger. Then add in some cashew nuts. Close the lid. Place the audio thumb. Switch on the Navigino at the highest level, level 6, and set in the roasting window. So once it has reached the roasting window, we'll add the tadka to the pongal and our millet pongal will be ready. You can see I've connected the audio thumb in my phone as well. Now you can see it has reached the roasting window. So I'm going to switch off the audio thumb. Lower the flame to level 1. So our tadka is ready. Switch off the Navigino. We'll add it to the pongal. You can see the steam is gone, so it is depressurized. I'm going to open. We'll add the tadka to the pongal and mix it. So our millet pongal is ready.